XRP holders, we are back to talk about XRP. What's going on with the markets? Some new information that is out related to XRP specifically. I think it's going to make a massive impact on XRP's price moving forward, especially over the next 3 to 6 months. We are expecting to see some big changes in the cryptocurrency market, and I'm really excited about where we're heading. I know the markets are down. You guys can see here on screen. I've got the chart up, but this could be a very good signal as well. It could be a bottom signal as long as we hold these lines of support. We'll talk a little bit about that. Yesterday, we had some big news. We put a video out. It did extremely well on X, got almost 70,000 views. Thank you guys so much. Let's get this one up there as well. Hit the like button. Let everybody know you're here. Engage with this video so more people in the XRP army can see it. And it did pretty good on YouTube side as well. So if you're not yet subscribed over there, definitely do that. Let's jump into the price first and foremost. Now, the one good thing about this pullback is we've come down to this level before, and it's always been followed by a nice rally, right? If you look here in early August, we came down and wicked down to like 272, 273, which is literally where we are right now in the charts. After coming down to those levels, we bounced back up and wicked up to 338. Same thing happened here in early September, right? We wicked down to like 269 here on a wick and bounced all the way up back up to 318. And we're literally right here again. We came back down. We're sitting at this 273. And the bulls are fighting right now. The bulls are fighting to hold us here right now. And as rough and rocky as it's been recently, we're still up, guys, in the last 365 days, the last year. We're up 366% on XRP. A lot of those gains, when did they come? They came last October, last November. That's when we did a 5X. Hence why I'm super excited about where we are right now. We're about to enter October. Now, it took a little while for us to get there last October, but we did a massive move in that 5-week stretch. We went from 50 cents to $3. That was a 6X in literally 5 weeks for XRP. So I'm excited about where we are, and you got to zoom out to really see the big picture. And I talked about this quite a bit. We look at this big run up. A lot of this was retail driven. I mean, some institutional demand, but a lot of this is retail driven because we don't have ETFs yet out there. We don't have those products out there. Now, yesterday we got some huge news from Hashdex. We're delighted to announce that Hashdex NASDAQ Crypto Index, the ticker NCIQ, is expanding, bringing U.S. investors access to 5 leading crypto assets. So not only Bitcoin and Ethereum, but XRP, Solana, and XLM are going to be in this. And this brings me to my point today that I really want to drive home in this video. This is where I think people are underestimating the amount of demand that could be there for XRP. There's going to be people who want to get solo XRP ETF exposure, for sure. But a lot of these institutions, they want to invest in a index fund, something that is weighted, or said another way, a basket ETF. And I think XRP, being the 3rd largest crypto asset out there, it's virtually going to be in all of these basket ETFs. And I think we're going to see basket ETFs for BlackRock, Fidelity, all the big players. Grayscale has already put their bid in to basically convert their large cap trust into an ETF. XRP is going to be in that. And people are underestimating the power of this. This is how institutions want to get in the game, and they haven't been able to outside of just Bitcoin and Ethereum. That is changing, though. And that's what they mentioned in this article here today. Paul Atkins, new SEC chair, obviously he's very crypto friendly, but he's finally gaining the support of the CFTC, and they're working alongside each other to speed up ETF approvals compared to the past. The SEC currently requires 6 months of futures market trading before approving a spot ETF, but they're looking to change that completely and make it way easier for this process to actually play out for digital assets. And, Hester Pierce recently was talking about that too. I saw a clip yesterday. We need to get rid of, she said, like these old archaic guidelines. It's stupid. We need to advance these things forward because people want them. The institutions want to get exposure, and so does smart retail. That's the other thing. Smart retail, they want to invest in an index fund where ETFs are plentiful, and XRP's there, Solana's there, XLM, HBAR, all your top assets, and you could pick which one you want to get into, right? So we'll take a look at the charts here and the overall market in just a minute, but a couple of things here. I did come out with a new product. If you guys are looking to level up your game, right? You want to join our inner circle. It's 90 cents a day. And you can be dominating the crypto market unlike you've ever done it before. Listen, I wanted to make this like super simple, super easy, and it's all within an inner circle membership. You're going to get full portfolio access from me. My entire crypto portfolio is in there. You'll be able to see the moves I'm making in real time. I'm going to be adding my stock portfolio in there as well. Then we've got a bunch of AI generated crypto picks based on our algorithms and prime value crypto picks that we're putting in there every single week, right? So some potential great plays in the market. So if you want access to this, in addition to just our community engagement and what we're talking about in the back channels, trades we're making, moves we're making, you can get all this for 90 cents a day, guys. So join now, link down below in the description. And real quick word from our other one of our other sponsors, I Trust Capital. If you want to invest for your future, $100 funding bonus is being offered for my audience only. I've been partnered with these guys for 5+ years. So if you want to build for your future or maybe your kids' future, you want to create generational wealth through the cryptocurrency market, maybe you want to put your crypto in an IRA, there's no bigger company out there than I Trust Capital. So check out that link down below in the description as well. All right, let's take a look at the overall market before we get up on out of here. By the way, if you haven't hit the like button, definitely do so. It helps us out tremendously. And subscribe down there if you haven't. The overall market, pretty flat. It's been down for a little bit. A lot of people struggling with it. A lot of people are going to miss this boat, though, I think. And this is what the market does, guys. The market wants to scare the weak hands out. They want to get the, fly-by-nighters in and out of the market so the institutional money can position themselves and be capturing more of the supply of these top tokens. This is what happens every single time. Every single time. It's like clockwork. So don't get it twisted. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not listening to all the outside noise that say this show's over, blah, blah, blah. I've seen this same song and dance. I think they're strategically manipulating the market right now. They're shaking a lot of people out, and they're going to quietly pump this market here over the next 3 to 6 months. And anybody who sees it and is in the right place, like we all will be, we're going to reap the rewards, right? And so if you want to be on the winning side, again, you could join the inner circle, link down below, XRP Army. I appreciate you guys so much for watching the video, and we will see you guys in the next one.